everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is monaaaah here. If you are new, welcome. My name is Priscilla. I am a 22-year-old single mom, full-time student, part-time worker. I work about 20 hours give or take on a weekly basis, and I do get paid about minimum wage. And if you have any questions or any of this may interest you, or you might have like a similar schedule or budget or income, and you're interested in budgeting or interested in my cash envelope stuffing and my budget, please keep on watching, and I hope you enjoy the video. Before I do start, I'm going to announce the winner of my giveaway for my August 3rd paycheck cash envelope stuffing. I am going to enter her Instagram name here, and on YouTube her name is Elizabeth Moore. So congratulations, and if you did miss this giveaway, just know that I'm going to have a future giveaway. Go ahead and get started. By the way, I did record earlier, but I didn't have my nails done, and you know, your girl had to go and get her nails done. But yeah, so I had recorded this video earlier, so I literally took out all the cash from the cash envelopes, and we're gonna have to organize it. But I'm sure you guys don't mind, because a lot of you guys do like when I organize my money. So let's get this poppin'. I hope you guys are having a great week so far. I am, as per usual. It's been a pretty busy week. I know it just started, but my son actually got sick because he's teething, and so my poor little boy, he didn't actually go to daycare today, so that's why I recorded earlier with him, and he actually did pretty well, you guys. Like, I'm so proud of him. Okay, I hope this is pretty straight for you guys. I am going based off of my mock paycheck to paper thing. I got paid, okay, I was expected to get paid $300, but I did get paid $285 because I worked less, and I'm only going to be budgeting $178. It is a little bit off because I did, you know, go get gas, and I also got my nails done, but I'm not adding any money. My renter's insurance is going to get $5. It currently has $4, so we have $5, $6, $7, $8, $9 now. This is half funded now. My son's insurance is going to get $9, $5, $6, $7, $8, $9. Now he's going to have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, $17. It's crazy how my son has life insurance. I know my mom pays for mine still, but when you have a kid, you really want to make sure that they're secure if anything happens. Edison is getting 20, so now it should have 50. So we have 20, 40, 50. Spectrum is getting 25, 25. So we have 20, 45, 50. I forgot what I was saying, but basically it's very important to have life insurance for your kids, because you never know what can happen. Unfortunately, this world or life is not guaranteed, so you want to be, you know, ready for any situation. PicMonkey is getting $2. 1, 2. Now it should have $4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. If you are new, I do budget for the next month because I'm fully prepared for for September, so I'm budgeting for October. iCloud isn't getting anything. It is funded already, $2. HP printer also gets $2 this paycheck. So we have 1, 2, and now we should have $3. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Next we have Amazon, which doesn't get funded. We have Google, it doesn't get funded. Car registration or Curology. These are funded for the month, or for this paycheck at least. Beauty doesn't get anything, but it did have $134. If you watch my last cash envelope stuffing, you know that I was supposed to get eyelash extensions, but that didn't happen. So I ended up getting my nails done, and crazy, I spent $40 for this simple set. I should have just gone to the girl that I went to last time I did my nails because she's home-based. She's only charging $25, so it's okay though. So I should have, I think, 94, 93, something like that. Let's see. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 95. Oh, I have 95, I guess. But I did have 134, something like that. I don't know how I got the extra $1. Next I have laundry, and it's getting 5. It currently has 5 right now. So now it's going to have 10, 5, 10. Next I have toiletries, and it is going to get 10. And it currently has 20, 30. So now we have 40, 20, 30, 40. Toiletries really goes for like household things or supplies that I need. Anything that goes from toothpaste to toilet paper to, you know, paper towels, or let's say you need towels for the house. Next we have Ethan, and Ethan is supposed to be getting $10. So go ahead and grab these 2 5s. And he does have money in here. He has $20 left. So we have 20, 25, 30. And this goes towards his diapers or supplies that are mainly for him. If I need some socks for him or any of that, I will use that money. For my allowance, I'm giving myself $20, and I don't have anything. I'm gonna have to grab 20. Gas was supposed to get 40. Well, it did get 40, but I already put gas in, so I have $5 left. I went maybe 2 hours ago, and going out is going to get 27. It was supposed to get 30, but I ended up going to the store before I got gas, and I bought something. So we have 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. And those are all my cash envelopes for this paycheck that I'm stuffing. I am going to keep beauty, laundry, toiletries, Ethan, myself, gas, and this is not groceries, this is actually going out, in my wallet. And this is what I bring with me because most of the time these are the things I use on a daily basis. I think I want to do a week 1 check-in because I want to be more strict on my budget because I am saving money. So if you guys can tell, I only used $178 from this paycheck, and I got paid $285. So the rest is going to go towards my credit cards because I am in consumer debt and I really just want to pay it all off. So I am on a strict budget, but I am not restricting myself to where I'm wanting to spend more money or any of that, because I do have like my allowance already. I feel that, you know, I typically give myself 20, 10, whatever I think I may need. I give myself that for the week because I don't want to restrict myself. The same with my son. Like, I wouldn't save money for him just because, you know, I was like, you know, it's unnecessary to buy things that he doesn't really need. But honestly, like, you just have to give yourself that leeway. The same thing with beauty, and gas is a given, and like laundry and toiletries. But don't restrict yourself too much if you are if you are just starting out your budget. And if you have any questions, please go ahead and message me. I am so sorry for the AC that was on in the background. I hope my voice overpowered it. It is on because that's how my son sleeps. But yeah, this is a winner for the giveaway. If you are still watching, I'm going to message you, so hopefully I message you before this video is out. But thank you all for watching this video, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye guys.